Samsung dishwasher, the heavy signal blinking, and there's a water leak from the door corner, down corner. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so I have to check the door seal of the Samsung dishwasher. First, I have to turn off the electricity from the safety port. Lighting here. Dishwasher. Turn off. Okay, we take the cover out to see if there's something wrong inside. Wow. Okay, see dirty here and dirty here. I believe that's probably the problems. The dirt blocked the steam out to give the more pressure to the dishwasher inside. That make the dishwasher dripping. So I'm going to clean this. So you can see there's a dirt inside. Block the steam out and affected the pressure inside of the dishwasher and squeeze the water out of the door, cause the water dripping. So we take this out, okay, and then okay, is all this dirt block the steam out. Okay. We put this cover in, so make sure it is right direction. There's an arrow there, so it should be point, okay, right in the middle. So we make it tight. Okay, here you go. Okay, clicked. And then, okay, put the cover on. Make sure it's all cleaned. Okay, here you go. And put the screw on. Okay, we put this back in. The heavy area code still blinking, so indicate still there's a water leak. And then finally I found the water intake here is not tight, and the cover is not tight. The water is leaking outside of the dishwasher from here, and then I will be fix it and tight it right now. After cleaning the sensor and the water in the base pan underneath of the dishwasher, the problem is fixed. So everything is working. This saved me about $300. Thank you.